Let us see a concept in motional EMF. A magnetic field is given like this, and in this magnetic field we are moving a metal rod like this with some constant speed v. Then after some time this rod will be in this location. It is moving, so it is cutting across this magnetic field. Magnetic field is into the paper. So initially what happens is this plus minus charge, it will be distributed like this on the rod, but after the process the positive charges will be deposited at one end and the negative charges will be deposited at the other end. Now how do we find the direction? Means you have to use the right hand palm. You see these fingers, this is cross mark. The fingers are penetrating into the paper, and this thumb is showing the direction of velocity. Then see the upper portion of the palm. In that direction the positive charges will be deposited. That is why positive have been shown on the upward side and the negative are shown on the downward side. So here what happens is there will be a magnetic force. The magnetic force direction also can be obtained. See, if there are charges here, it will be exposed to some magnetic force. Magnetic force will be applied in this direction. So for this also you can use your right hand rule. Okay, so if you use the right hand rule, this is the direction of the magnetic force. So here, what is this magnetic force? Magnetic force will be equal to Q times VB. Between V and B the angle is 90 degrees, so VB sin theta will be VB sin 90. It is equal to VB. So this is the magnetic force. Now if you see this rod, there are some minus charges over here deposited at this end and positive charges deposited at the other end. So is it not the case of an electric field created? Electric field created will be from positive to negative. In this direction there will be an electric field. This kind of will be balancing the magnetic force. If there is an electric field, if Q is the charge, what is the electric force? It is Q times E. So under equilibrium this Fe will be equal to Fm. Fe will be compensating this magnetic force. So Fe is equal to QE, and this is equal to QVB. Let us say this rod length is L. So here QQ cancels. E is equal to V into B. This V is velocity. But by the potential gradient concept we know that E is equal to, if this rod length is L, we can get the value of E is equal to E times L, potential gradient concept. So my E will be equal to V by L. This V is potential drop between these 2 points. So I can, if I substitute the value of E here, I will get V divided by L is equal to V into B, or V is equal to BLV. What is this V? Is it not the induced EMF in this case? So E is equal to BLV. This is another explanation of motional EMF. And in this case, where the charges are, you can see here there is a potential difference created. So that means this is at a higher potential and this is at a lower potential. You can even mark the higher and lower potential points using this concept.